Hello, welcome to today's video. Today we are working on a writing strategy. Let's begin. First, think about this. What has made you happy recently? And why did it make you so happy? Okay, now as I mentioned, today we're working on a writing, specifically on how to answer a question in an essay. Let's begin. Think about this. Should a government try to make its citizens happy? And why? Please pause the video and write a few ideas. Okay, now that you have them, let's continue. Please go to student page 102, exercise A. If you notice, this person wrote up an essay, this is a paragraph of it, answering the question, should a government try to make its citizens happy? Please pause the video and read the text. Well, if you notice, the student thinks that yes, a government should try to make its citizens happy. What examples did the student give? Okay, so he mentions that happiness is important to the economy because happy workers are more effective and more productive. Happy people contribute to their community in terms of volunteering. Happy people tend to be healthier, so they cost less in terms of healthcare. So if you notice, not only did the student answer the question that yes, he considers the governments should be concerned about this, but also he gives reasons and examples. Now, I want you to please work on exercise B. Here, we're going to read the paragraph again and find how the student added ideas. We need to find some expressions that don't include and. You already have one, as well as. Please pause the video and find other 3 expressions. Okay, so you should have found in addition, furthermore, and in addition to. Did you find them? Excellent. Let's see how they work. So, here I have some sentences. Can you identify the 2 ideas into each sentence? Pause the video. Okay, so you should have found that happy workers are more effective is idea number 1 and more productive is idea number 2. In the same sentence, in second sentence, happy workers are more effective is again idea number 1. Being more productive is idea number 2. And in the last one, they were in 2 different sentences. Again, we had happy workers are more effective and they are more productive, the 2 ideas. Now, if you notice, we are using some words to connect them, as well as in addition to and furthermore. Let's take a look at how they work. You can use as well as and in addition to when you're going to add ideas within one sentence. Look at the examples. Happy workers are more effective, as well as more productive. Happy workers are more effective in addition to being more productive. Now, we can use as well as to connect noun phrases and adjectives. If you notice, happy workers are more effective is a noun phrase, right? We have workers and some words that describe them. And we have an adjective, more productive. But if you're going to use noun phrases and you need to use a verb, please use in addition to. Happy workers are more effective in addition to being more productive. If you notice, we are using being with ing, right? Here you could also use a noun. Governments can increase happiness in addition to economic growth. Okay, but if you're going to add ideas into different sentences, you can use in addition, furthermore, and moreover. Happy workers are more effective. Furthermore, they are more productive. Here we could also use in addition or moreover, but remember to use a comma after any of these phrases. Great. Now, let's go to workbook page 72, exercise A. Here, you need to choose the correct option to link ideas. Let's do the first one. Why should people be more involved in their community? There are a number of reasons why people should become more involved in community activities. Research shows there are benefits for the community, individuals. Should we use in addition or as well as? That's right, we should use as well as. Remember that in addition, we use it when we have ideas into different sentences. Now pause the video and work on the rest, please. Okay, we're going to check this in class. Now, we're going to work on exercise B. Here, you need to rewrite the sentences replacing and or and also with the words in parentheses. Let's do 1 and 2 together. Number 1. It is important to tell people about the good things going on in a community and its problems. Here, it's very simple. It is important to tell people about the good things going on in a community as well as its problems. Can you do number 2? Okay, you should have. A community newsletter can advertise local events, in addition to informing people about local news. In this case, you needed to use the ing form because you're using in addition to. Now pause the video and work on the other sentences. We will check them during our class. Okay? Great. Now, I want you to please pause the video and read these 4 questions. Choose one. Okay? Please copy the question in a piece of paper or your notebook. You will need them later. Okay, now that you have your question, you're going to answer the question that you chose, very briefly. And please list 4 to 5 reasons and examples that support this answer. You don't need to write an essay, just some ideas that we will use in class. Okay, great. I'm going to see you in class. Bye-bye!